Hello everyone and welcome to this video about the 010 editor, or let's say working with our 010 editor. So in this video, let's start looking at templates, which is really one of the powerful features in the 010 editor. So I have like a BMP file. Let's just open this BMP file, okay, as you can see here. And now if we go to templates and say the template has executed successfully, let's see the view template results. Okay, so we can see the view template results. Maybe I have closed it by mistake. So if you look at this, what this is showing us, it's showing us that this is a structure, by the way. Okay, and this is the structure holding the bitmap file header of this bitmap file. So you can see this is showing us the this is a template that will dissect the bitmap file for you. You can see if we click on this is our bitmap info header. You can see this one was the bitmap file header, and this one was the bitmap info header, and then bitmap line, which is probably where the date is actually stored. So now if we open this struct, by the way, we can see that here these are the values. Like over here, see these? It's showing you what each one, like here it's saying you that the bitmap file type, here the bitmap file size. So here, these are the bitmap file size. So we can see that this is the bitmap file size, and it's telling you that the file size is, it's telling you that the file size is 22 something. So if we go here and let's go over here and look at the file size. So if you compare, by the way, the unsigned integer with this value over here, so we can see we have 22 500 54. So we have 22 500 and then 54 bytes. So it's telling you that we have 2 megabytes something, okay, 2.25 etc. megabytes. And is that really the file size, as you saw here? So once we are able to again interpret here, this is the size. We were able also to compare with the real file size. So you can see that this file actually is 22. How many bytes? So it's 2,250,054 bytes. Now, if we, by the way, select all the file all the way from now till the end, okay, you can also see here that it's exactly the same file size that we were able to interpret where over here. So again, as you can see here, just by clicking on it, by the way, it helps you navigate within that header. So these templates really help you understand like the structure of the file, how much what value is available here, what does that value represent. Like here you can see this is the width of the image, this is the height of the image. Let's see if we can actually see those in here, maybe. So I know we should be able to see them somewhere. So yeah, see, the width is 1500 and the height is 500, and we were also able to see them, the width 1500 and the height is 500. So again, these really help you understand the structure. And why do I need to know the structure? Because it helps you when you are especially trying to carve files out of, let's say, an unallocated disk space, or maybe to parse some unknown data. These templates will help you understand and help you parse that type of data. You can see here, this is where probably this is where the meat and potato of the, let's say, of the image itself. So it's really not just lines, it's probably lines of the content, the true content of the file. Those two structures which we saw at the beginning, this one and this one, were actually the structures for the bitmap file, just how this file is structured. And the good thing about the bitmap file is it's not a very complicated structure. As you saw, it's telling you the bit count, planes, height, size, bit count here, it's telling you 24. If there's any compression, the size of the image, etc. So these are really just basics, especially like I said, the bitmap file is not very complicated. So let's stop here and continue the next video. Thank you for watching.